Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Volkswagen EOS. This two-door, four-passenger convertible offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. It includes power seats, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.